How to make an e-commerce website with WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create your own e-commerce website using WordPress. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys have to do is you will simply go to wordpress.com or any of the platform where you are hosting your WordPress website. So first you require a simple WordPress website. If you have any, that's good, or you can just simply go to wordpress.com and create one. So you can see this is my WordPress dashboard and this is a simple website that I have. But I want to convert my website into an e-commerce store and I want to sell products on it. I want to run a business. So that's what I will show you today. And when it comes to creating an e-commerce business on WordPress, WordPress has an official partner, WooCommerce. So you will require WooCommerce account in order to create an e-commerce business on WordPress. You will be able to add products, create orders, and track your stats from your own phone or tablet. It will give you your own e-commerce store and you will be able to run a successful business online. WooCommerce is really famous and it also allows you to add different integration to customize your experience. We get our own stats. So all you need to do is just simply go to woocommerce.com and create your own account. Once you have an account on WooCommerce, or you can simply go to WordPress as well. On WordPress, what you will have to do is simply go to the plugins, go to add new, and we can add a WooCommerce plugin to our WordPress website. So I'm just going to go to the add plugins and search for WooCommerce. You can see here it is. I have already installed it. That is why it says update now. And you can see it has more than 5 million active installation. So you will click on install now and WooCommerce will be added to your website. So here it is. I'm going to open it up. So here we have our own WooCommerce. You can see in our WooCommerce, we have our own home, orders, subscriptions, customers, coupons, reports, settings, stats, extension, and MailChimp. Now this is like another extension of mine. So you can see we have add products, then we have get paid, set up taxes, set up shipping, set up marketing tool, personalize my store, and more. So we can also preview our store that we already have. So I'm just going to click on preview and show you how the shop looks on WordPress. It's a completely new shop that we are going to be creating. Okay, so you can see this is the name for my shop, and then we have home, cart, checkout, then we have my account, sample page, and shop. This is going to be where I will be adding my products. So this is like the simplest look for you guys, and this is where we will be creating our store. Now let's get back to the admin, and what we need to do is we need to add the product. So I'm just going to click right here and we can start with a template or add a manual product. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a manual product. So this is where we can add our new product and we have to give our product a name. So let's just call it a t-shirt, and I will be uploading a t-shirt for sale on my business. We can also upload our own, product list, so you don't have to go ahead and, create a new product every time. You can see it automatically created a permalink for me where I have my own store name and then we have our product name, and I can edit it out if I want to. Then we have add media, and this is where I will be adding my product image. So I'm just going to click on add media, and this is for the description. Like if you want to add a media in the description, you can just go ahead and add that. So in the description, I'm not going to add a media. I will be uploading the image in this section right here, or we can just, for now, we can just add the image. We can upload a file or select from the media. So I'm just going to upload my t-shirt image. So let's say this is the image that I want to insert. So I'm just going to add it and it will be added right here. Moving on, we have our own product data. So this is from our WooCommerce and I need to add a price. So we can go with a regular price, which is going to be $35. And then we have a sale price, which is going to be $27. Then we have inventory option where I can add SKU, manage stock. Then we have stock status. So if it's in stock, out of stock, or on back orders, it is in stock. Then we have shipping. In shipping, I can add weight, date, dimensions, and we have shipping class. Then we have linked products, attributes. Attributes are really important, and I can add different colors and sizes to my product. So this is where you will be creating your own attributes and variants for a product. Then we have advanced and get more options. So this is all from WooCommerce. If you're not using WooCommerce, then you will not be able to add these options. Then we have the product description again. So I can just write the word description here, or we can add any kind of description. Then we have some of my plugins that I have added. So I have added Rank Math. You can see it right here. It's helping me with the SEO. And then we have other tools. So if you do not have them, then you will of course not get the option right here. So we have product categories that I can create from here. Then we have product tag, channel visibility, and link suggestions, and product image, product gallery. We can create product gallery as well. Then we again have our keywords, and it is also showing me the publish option. In order to publish a product, you just click on save and publish, or you can preview how it will look on your store. So let me show you the preview for the product for just the information that we have added. So you can see this is what it looks like, and we have our own price and add to cart button. If you want to customize your store, then of course you will just open it up and click on visit site. So I'm just going to leave this page. When it comes to creating and customizing the page of your website, it's going to be same as you do on normal WordPress website. It's not going to be very different. So you can just click on customize, and it will allow you to add different aspects to your WordPress website, which is going to be your e-commerce store. So once you have the WooCommerce integration, then it will allow you to change your very basic website. So it will allow you to change your very basic website into an e-commerce store where you can add products and where you will have your own buttons. So when it comes to the customization, as I showed you before, that you will be getting like video option, you can add different sections, you can add images, you can add image gallery, you can create featured products and more in order to actually create an e-commerce store. The main admin is going to be same for your WordPress, so you can just go back to your main admin and you will get these same options. So you can see we have our own home, then you will get your media, post pages, and your WooCommerce here. In products, you will be able to create categories, tags, and reviews as well. And with WordPress, we can create a very high professional e-commerce website. A lot of different e-commerce stores are created with WordPress and are very responsive and very customizable. So you can also go to the payments and add easy payment methods, but then we have analytics and marketing. If you feel like you need to add any kind of integration or plugin, then you can just go to the plugins and you can add thousands of plugins that are available on WordPress. You can also customize your store by going to themes on WooCommerce, and you can also buy a plan on WooCommerce in order to customize your store and get more options. And this is how you can get started with an e-commerce store on WordPress. This was a beginner's tutorial for you guys, and I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.